Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to learn web technology concepts. If you see what is web? Web is a collection of electronic resources. If someone asks you what is the definition of web means what? You have to say web is a collection of electronic resources. Web is first implemented by who? He is a scientist who implemented web in the year 1989. Now, W3C. I am explaining this term by term. Means one after the other. This is the second terminology, that is W3C. W3C means Worldwide Web Consortium. What is W3C? Worldwide Web Consortium. It was founded in the year 1994 by whom? Tim Berners-Lee. In the year 1989, he implemented web. Okay. After 5 years, this W3C was founded by him. What is meant by W3C? It is a popular organization which maintains web standards. Compulsory, we must follow W3C rules when we are in a internet-based environment. We have to follow the W3C rules. Okay. And consortium means what? It is a partnership or a group of people. General English meaning is what? Consortium means it is a partnership or a group of people available in this organization. So some well-known organizations which are there in W3C are Microsoft, IBM, Apple, Sun Microsystems, Facebook, etc. These are our software companies, okay, which are members of this W3C. Now, if you see the next topic, that is network. Network means what? It is a collection of interlinked. It is a collection of computers which are interlinked together. Network means a collection of computers which are interlinked together. Okay. To exchange resources, each other is called network. This is the definition. Collection of computers which are interlinked together to exchange resources is nothing but what? Network. Okay. This is the definition of a network. First network in the web environment is ARPANET, which stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. So this ARPANET, first network, A means Advanced Research Project Agency Network. This is our first network, and ARPANET is developed between two computer networks. It is developed between two computers. Okay. One cable is taken and it is connected between two computers. One computer and another computer. One connection is there. That is first developed by with the help of ARPANET network. So used protocol in this ARPANET network is what? FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. First it is File Transfer Program. FTP is first it is a file transfer program. Later it is converted into protocol. Why? Because every protocol is a type of program. So FTP is converted as file transfer protocol. Later it is converted into protocol. Okay. If you see the next word, that is internet. Internet means it stands for international network. Network means connecting two devices or connecting two things is a network, right? So internet means what? It is an international network. Network is a collection of TCP IP communication protocols. You are having in the last semester, means in the first year, you have learned about communication protocols. Already you have learned about communication protocols in the first year. Okay, so in that you will see TCP and IP. Okay, I will revise what is TCP and what is IP. TCP means transmission control protocol. What is the purpose of TCP here? Represents connectivity between computers. It represents connectivity between computers in a network. It represents connectivity between computers in a network. Okay. Now IP. IP means what? It is a internet protocol. It is a internet protocol. It represents what? It represents connectivity between networks here. Here it is between computers in a network. It is just in a networks. Here both computers in a network. Between computers in a network and here it is in a network. It was developed by the scientist named, what is the name of that scientist who developed the internet? Vint Cerf. He is an American scientist who developed internet and he is called as a father of internet. Who is the father of internet? You have to answer. If someone asks who is the father of internet, you have to say Vint Cerf is the father of internet. If we see the next topic, that is email. Email means all you are familiar with mailing, right? So email means electronic mail. It stands for electronic mail. It is a mail services first implemented by American. First it is implemented by American, and after in India we call it as webmail. It is in electronic mail in it is in America. So in India first it is webmail. Okay, developed by India. So what is his name? His name is Sabir Bhatia. And what is the mail name? What is the webmail name? All you are having email IDs, right? In the same way, the first mail is hotmail.com. It is the first mail. And from Chandigarh. Sabir Bhatia is from Chandigarh with collaboration with American whose name is Jack Smith. He is an American scientist. These two guys, what they did, they implemented electronic mail services based on what? Based on the SMTP and MIME. About SMTP and MIME, we will see in the next class. You watch the video clearly and write the notes according to this and forward to me. Okay, thank you. We will see in the next class.